Hi there, students. A coven. Okay, accountable noun. A coven is a group of witches. More specifically, 13 witches meeting together. Interestingly as well, but less commonly, you can also say a coven of vampires, a family or a group of vampires. But this word meaning is very, very specific. But you could call a group of people that meet together and share common interests and activities a coven. Yeah, like a clique. So the coven of model making enthusiasts is meeting downstairs. So you can use this humorously to say it's like a meeting of witches, an assembly of people, a group of people meeting together for some sort of common purpose, particularly in secret. There's a coven downstairs discussing how the country is going to move forward politically. I think maybe secret political groups. Yeah, it's rather like a coven. Yeah, and this is a good word to use, I think, literally. Yeah, okay, so a coven, an assembly of people. Yeah, specifically for some sort of purpose, and when they're very, very secretive about it. Notice you're probably being a bit critical and a bit disparaging of what they do. Yeah, it looks like a coven of bird watchers was meeting in the parking lot. Okay, so a group of them to get together. Because also with this indirectly you're calling them witches as well. Or maybe there's a conference of computer game freaks. A coven of computer game freaks is going to meet in this place. Yeah. Okay. So formality. I think I'm probably going to give it a 5.5 in formality. You could definitely use this in an informal conversation. I think if you used it semi-formally or formally, maybe you could use it as a metaphor semi-formally, as in this joke that I was alluding to earlier. But very formally, I think just use it to mean an assembly of witches. And then as to origin, well, this word actually comes from an Anglo-Norman word, coven or couvent, which comes from Old French, couvent, which itself comes from Latin, coventum, which comes from convenio, come with, and venio, to come, so to meet together. And this word's clearly related to the word a convent as well. Now, this word wasn't really used very much until the 1920s, when a British archaeologist, Margaret Murray, promoted the idea that witches met in groups of 13 in different places across Europe, and they called these covens, where they celebrated their Sabbat. Okay, so a coven, a group of 13 witches technically, but I think probably more normal, a joking way of saying a meeting that seems to be secret, a group of people meeting together. I know they're holding a surprise party for me next week. I keep seeing these covens talking together in hushed voices and then pretending nothing's happening when I appear. Okay, so a coven, a group of witches. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A coven.